it.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Chevy 255, man. Tuning in for another one. It done damn rained crazy. Just watch the damn car. And my shit. And my truck. Now it's back crazy. Yeah, man, storm or whatever just came through. Just rained crazy. And I had just, I'm gonna move her car, so I don't gotta. You hit my car. But yeah, see, this is what I want to make sure. Because last time we did have like a little bit of, I don't even know what you would call it, a little bit of leakage or something going on. I want to ensure that this is not leaking on. And ensure that that's not leaking inside the car. But everything seems to be dry, so we good. The test is done. So we good as far as that go. Damn piece of metal from when we cut the roof, that don't need to be in there. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna go ahead and run these front drain lines. That way we can pretty much just move on forward. It looks like it's a screw right there. If I take that screw out, it'll open up a little passageway. Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to get through there unless I move it. So take that screw out the way right there. And then I should be able to put this drain line down there, run it down, and then drill a hole in the floor. It should be coming out. I think sprayway was coming out somewhere back over there. So we'll see when we get to drilling, man. We'll see. Alright, so now I got it out the way so I can swing this door all the way open. And that way I don't end up in the hospital. So let me get to work on this, and then I'm gonna bring it back. I'm gonna cut you back on. Shout out to Sprayway. So what I didn't realize is like all of this was like one piece, and the way it go back off in there. So basically, what I'm gonna have to do, I got it out. I have to get them clips. So we got the drain line coming down the side, and then it'll go back behind there, and like I said, down to the floor. And down here is where we're gonna have to punch that hole through. So I'm gonna pull this out the way, pull the carpet back, and get it where she need to be. All right, so got it ran down there, as you can see. So we're gonna put it to the test. In theory, drain out the back, drain out the bottom. Boom, just like that. One more time for the non-believers. No, not the non-believers, but one more time so y'all know it's real. Sir. Drain tube on deck. Yeah, bitch. Let's work our way on over to the other side, get that Moran, call it Christmas. So I'm out here working on the Chevy, man. My boy pulled up. I'll show you what he got.
Got that barn find, baby.
That barn find.
Yeah, 2004 Z71 Tahoe. Said it had 200,000 miles on it. Dude said he didn't want to get it fixed. He thought it was gonna be a big repair, and I came up and said, "Hey man, what you trying to get out of it?" He's like, "Oh, I need 15." I said, "I ain't got it like that, man. You know me."
We don't pay $1.
He came down to 750 though, so
750.
$750. And like I said, I came up on the wheels, so I can't really complain on that, you know. So we're total into it right now, transferred and everything, about $1,100, dog. Title transfer was $250. I was hurting on that.
Like, Lord,
I was a little upset on that.
Texas got to get their money.
I could have at least washed it off for the channel, you know, but hey, we spot on with this, baby.
What was it? Got them dub deuces on there. I mean,
yeah, buddy.
At 750, I was say, boy, be paying that for the motor. It said, hell, the wheels, 750.
Thank you. Thank you. And like I said, got brand new tires on it. 2 brand new tires, and you know.
That's that good tread depth, you know what I'm saying? Put your pinky off in that thing, you know what I'm saying? Ready to go.
Take the Carfax, 2 on the truck. So that had me sold right there in his own. Yeah. I think I said I'm gonna get the 10 foot on it. And then, let's see. I thought about lifting it, but I'll probably leave it alone because I'm just hunting out of it a little bit. Hey, cheaper than buying a side by side.
Hell yeah.
Dude, I went to the store side by side, 20 racks.
God.
$20,000. And you can't even drive it on the street.
For 20,000, I need to be able to go to the grocery store with it. You know what I'm saying? Wherever I need to go.
Yeah. Gotta come up on some seats, you know. Every heavy Chevy got the tour driver seat, you know.
Yeah.
Every single one.
I don't know what they cheaped. I don't know if they just cheaped out on the quality of them or just got lazy or what.
They should recall that. Should recall on that.
Yes, that's wind though. 750 all day long. That's what we do.
It's clean though.
I ain't LS cheapo for nothing. I learned from this dude.
Hey, yes sir.
No, we ain't paying top dollar. This is used. Yeah.
Call that boy Hoodie Hunt. What's up with you? Yeah, buddy. Nah, man, I'm proud of this one though.
Yeah.
I got a guy telling me, he's like, you know, I'll help you out. I'll refinish all the plastic on it for you. This and that. I was like, man, what you trying to get out of it? Just buy me lunch.
Bet.
No problem. When you want it, you know.
Matter of fact, I give you 2 lunches.
Exactly, right? Yes,
you want to eat, nigga? Here, a gift card.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, winning.
Yeah, man. Like I said, seats fold down, whole deck's flat. I mean, captain chairs in it.
Yeah.
Gonna put a double den in there soon. It's all this factory subs work, none of the speakers blown.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, for 750, she can't beat it. Door open?
Yeah, go ahead.
It's a little terrible, you know, that ain't nothing. We ain't worried about the cosmetics, you know what I'm saying? Got them Boses. Captain chairs in the back, it's that real presidential. You know what I'm saying? And it's a Z71. You know what I'm saying? This ain't that regular degular. You know what I'm saying? Z71. Back seats.
This what made it all worth it for me. I mean,
yeah. It cranks.
I mean,
for 750.
Yeah.
It cranks and runs.
So don't have lifters tapping, none of that.
Yeah, bro, you won on this one, boy. 750.
Gotta find a third row. Find a couple little plastic pieces.
Oh, it got the third row joints in there. Oh, it got the mounts for the third row.
Yes, sir.
Oh. So that's too easy. You can probably find them hoes at the junkyard.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep my eye out. I'll let you know if I find it.
All right, I know you always in there, man. Like I said, I gotta get some little bitty stuff, man.
Yeah, a little strap right there.
I can handle that. 'Cause what was this thing new? Like, what, 37, almost 40,000 back in the day? Yeah.
750.
Rear AC works.
Yeah, the whole shebang. Anything is possible.
One man trash, right?
Yeah. Anything is possible, baby. So it ain't like you can tell it wasn't just really abused, you know what I'm saying? Little, cause what year it is?
2004.
Yeah, it's an 04. I mean, look damn good for 04, you ask me. Yeah, I like to see some people, bro. It be some people come up to that job with their cars on my check engine light. You look inside their car, I ain't even gonna talk about it.
I pulled the floor mats out of my Silverado. You sitting on floor mats?
Y'all know what it is. Cowboys, we them boys.
It's all Texas everybody.
Sure. Yeah, you won on that, bro. Running like a mud. Yeah, I like. Alright, so show you what we're working with on this side. I had to get another cup of water. Spilled the damn cup of water on the carpet. So right here, this is where the computer was at. Got the hose running down right there, as you can see. And then when I go back to put it on here, I won't necessarily need. I won't necessarily need this piece. Yeah, I guess they go all together like that, and then that'll go back up in there, and so that'll hide that drain tube going down there. But this is what we came for. I'm saying time to do that test. Yes, sir. Just like that. Drain tube on drain. So yeah, man, that pretty much wrapped this video up. This part 2. Part 1, if you ain't seen it, go check it out. We ran the rear ones, which ran right there, down there, you know. Now since then we done put in our little black interior and stuff. But yeah, they're running down the sides, man, and into the trunk. So, you know, go check that video out. Coming out the wheel wells on that one. Shout out to Sprayway. He is I watched this video. He made this process a whole lot easier. As y'all know, I'm not no automotive guru, or I'm not no I ain't go to school for this shit. I'll say it like that. You know what I'm saying? I know a little something now, just through learning through experience. But now we in there. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. Stay tuned for these updates. This Chevy is coming together. You don't have to worry about this, because once we put our the trim pieces that go over this, that's gonna hide it, and then the headliner is gonna hide the rest of it, and we in there. It's a sunny day, people. It's a sunny day. So remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. That's like my biggest thing with this channel, man. All I'm doing is identifying my weaknesses and making them my strengths. You know what I'm saying? If it's something that I can do, or I'm not afraid to do, then I'm gonna do it. I tried, and there. So Sometimes you identify your weaknesses. Sometimes you identify your weaknesses making me strength. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you identify your weakness and you believe in your weakness. You know what I'm saying? But, you know what we doing over here? Identifying our weakness, making my strengths. Productivity over procrastination. Life is all about choice to choose wisely. Yeah, I switched it up on y'all. Hustle don't stop, grind don't stop. 2020, let's go. Go.